Hello children, in this video we are going to see the lesson Mitchell the Otter. This lesson was written by Gavin Maxwell. Let us see the overview of the lesson. Gavin Maxwell lives in Campsferna. It is a place that is situated near the Scotland. He had a dog. That dog died unfortunately, and after the death of his dog, he don't want dog as a pet, and he had a thought of having otter as a pet. And this lesson is his experience in having otter as a pet. Early in the new year of 1956, I traveled to southern Iraq. By then, it had crossed my mind that I should like to keep an otter instead of a dog, and that Camasferna, ringed by water a stone's throw from its door, would be an eminently suitable spot for this experiment. Here, the author is traveling to the southern Iraq, and while he was traveling, he had a thought to have otter as a pet. And what is the uh, things that he qualifies for having otter as a pet is like his place is surrounded by water, so he says that it is the best place to have otter as a pet and to carry out his experiment. His experiment is nothing but having an otter as a pet. When I casually mentioned this to a friend, he as casually replied that I had better get one in Tigrish marshes, for there they were as common as mosquitoes. He mentioned his idea to his friend that he wanted to have otter as a pet, and his friend suggested that he can get one in Tigrish marshes because it is available in plenty in Tigrish marshes. We were going to Basra to the Consulate General to collect and answer our mail from Europe. At the Consulate General, we found that my friend's mail had arrived, but that mine had not. The reason that they were traveling to southern Iraq is to get a mail from Europe and to respond to that mail. Now that after reaching the Consulate General, his friend's mail got arrived and the author's mail had not. I cabled to England. Cabled is a way of communication which is given over there. And when 3 days later nothing had happened, I tried to telephone. The call had to be booked 24 hours in advance. On the first day, the line was out of order. On the second, the exchange was closed for a religious holiday. On the third day, there was another breakdown. My friend left and I arranged to meet him in a week